Hi Draw So Cuties! Today we're going to draw the deep fried back bling from Fortnite. So let's get started. To draw this back bling, we're going to first start by drawing the case that the fries sit in. So I'm just going to start here and draw a slight angle. And I'm going to bring it down. And I'm basically just going to aim to draw a little curve, well actually a wide curve, all the way across. See, about that much, and about right there. Oops, I'm going to go back up and start to come back down again. So that is basic curve that we're trying to aim for. And then from there I'm going to come around here and bring it down with an angle. Just do the same thing over here. And keep going down. Say about that much on both sides. And right here I'm going to start to angle in a little bit again and connect it. And so once again towards the center we're going to go up a little bit and come back down. So there, we got the case in. Now let's come in here and we're going to draw all the fries that's inside. So I'm just going to randomly at different heights just put in these fries. So about right here I'll start. So that's one, put another one. So I'm just giving it some dimension. So maybe about there, add another one. Let's see, let's draw the ones in the foreground first. To have fun with this part, add as many or as little as you want. Just try to fill it up. Different heights. And it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. See, I'm going pretty fast right here because it doesn't have to be perfect angles or anything like that. They're fries, right? So right here. And you don't want them exactly too straight sometimes, so that it's not too stiff. So here and there, maybe just add a tiny little curve to your fry. And add another one right here. Let's see. Got to do this one. And you know what, I'll stop there. That's as about many as I want to put in there. And then from there I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to add a curve all the way to the top. So this is the back of the bag here. So we're going to go all the way up, coming through and down. There. Okay, so now to draw the best part of this back bling is this logo for the Durr Burger. So I'm going to come in here and find something. Let's see here what I have to draw my circle because it is pretty big. So, okay, that is way too big. Let's see what else. Something like, okay, I'll use this little container here and I'll go ahead and draw my circle. So if you're drawing smaller, you don't have to use a circle template, but this is pretty big, so make it a little bit easier for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace this for my circle. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and try my best here to add another circle inside, just following my outside. Okay, there. I got it in. So now to draw the Durr Burger, I'm going to say start about right here in this area, and I'm just going to draw a big circle for the eye so that I know it's nicely even. I'm going to go to the other side and just draw another circle as well. So this will determine how wide my burger is. And from there in the center right here, I'm going to add a curve. And let's come up here since we're here and just draw another curve for the olive. And then a little toothpick. And then from there, let's come down. So we're imagining this curve going through the eye. So about right here, we're going to come out. And then let's finish off this bun right here. So then about right there, I'm going to stop, give it a curve up for the tongue, and continue. Okay, and then let's come back in here and draw the eyes for the Durr look. Pretty cute, right? Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come in this area and finish off the tongue so I know how long to make my burger. So, let's see here. I come in here. Drag my tongue all the way towards the bottom. So I'm giving myself a little curve right there for the tongue. And then let's come in and let's finish this burger. So we're going to come to the first layers, maybe some sauce. So I'm just going to come in here and just drizzle randomly all the way across. So about right here. And then let's add some cheese, maybe a layer of cheese, and then the meat. And the last, the bottom bun, so right here. And down. And then, of course, let's add some sesame seeds up here. Oops, very lightly. And let's see, am I missing anything? That is pretty much it for this deep fried back bling from Fortnite. I hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.